Welcome back to Vacation Living. Today we'll be speaking to you about Rome, Italy. TripAdvisor ranked it the 6th best vacation in the world. Rome, the eternal city, is like stepping into a living museum. With every turn you're met with ancient ruins, breathtaking art, and irresistible aromas wafting from street-side trattorias. Let's take a journey through some of Rome's top attractions, culinary highlights, and local experiences you won't want to miss. Start your Roman adventure at the Colosseum, the world's largest ancient amphitheater. Walk through its massive arches and imagine the roar of the crowd as gladiators once battled in the arena. Next, explore the Roman Forum and Palatine Hill, the very heart of ancient Roman civilization where emperors, senators, and citizens once gathered. Marvel at the architectural perfection of the Pantheon, one of the best-preserved monuments from antiquity, with its magnificent domed ceiling. Toss a coin into the stunning Trevi fountain to ensure your return to Rome. It's a tradition wrapped in sparkle and Baroque beauty. No trip is complete without a visit to Vatican City, where you can explore St. Peter's Basilica, St. Peter's Square, and the awe-inspiring Vatican museums, home to Michelangelo's masterpiece, the Sistine Chapel. Visit the Baths of Caracalla for a look at Roman leisure on a grand scale, or climb the hill to the Capitoline museums filled with priceless artifacts and classical art. Art lovers should not miss the Galleria Borghese, set within lush gardens and featuring sculptures by Bernini and paintings by Caravaggio. And towering above the Tiber River, Castel Sant'Angelo offers both history and panoramic views of the city. Wander through Trastevere, one of Rome's most charming districts, with ivy-draped alleys, lively piazzas, and candle-lit trattorias. At Campo dei Fiori, take in the local market vibe in the morning and enjoy cocktails or pizza by nightfall. Soak in the magic of Piazza Navona, known for its ornate fountains and street performers. Climb the iconic Spanish Steps and enjoy views over the rooftops in the nearby Via dei Condati for luxury shopping. For a unique historical walk, head to the Appian Way, one of the oldest Roman roads, lined with ancient tombs and aqueducts. Join a local food tour and taste your way through Rome's culinary soul, from crispy supply to creamy carbonara. Sign up for a cooking class to make handmade pasta or wood-fired pizza like a true Roman. Enjoy an aperitivo at sunset, a pre-dinner ritual where drinks are served with light bites and good conversation. And of course, treat yourself to world-famous gelato, with flavors ranging from classic pistachio to inventive ricotta and fig. Tivoli, wander the lavish fountains and Renaissance gardens at Villa d'Este, a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Ostia Antica. Discover an ancient Roman port city that rivals Pompeii in preservation, but with fewer crowds. Rome is best explored on foot, so wear comfortable shoes and take your time. Early mornings or evenings offer magical light and fewer tourists. And don't forget, sometimes the best experiences in Rome happen when you simply get lost in its timeless streets. Thanks for joining us today on Vacation Living. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you don't miss our next destination.